Welcome to this video. We're going to talk about how to get and install your Facebook Pixel into the client funnel software. Now, the Facebook Pixel basically is exactly what it is. It's the pixel that is from Facebook. Now, this is just a piece of data that you put on the pages that you want Facebook to track. And as we talk about in the coaching area in the curriculum, we talk about setting up custom conversions, etc. But you'll need to install your pixel. Now, this is one pixel per advertising account, okay, and you'll paste this particular code into our software once, and it will then place it on every single page, so automatically every single page will be tracked inside of Facebook should you then wish to do advertising based on various people's actions that they take. But most importantly, we need this in place to be able to track such things as webinar opt-ins, people booking calls, people viewing your indoctrination page, etc. So we can then report that back to Facebook, so then it can calculate out your costs per registration and your costs per call booking, and it also allows you obviously to set up what we call the custom conversions, which we teach you how to do that inside of the High Ticket Coaching Academy curriculum. Now, to get the Facebook Pixel, all you need to do is head on over to your Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, which is your Ads Manager, you'll see it in here, and this is basically then in Ads Manager. There's a little drop down here that you click on this, and you want to go over to All Tools, and then click on Pixels. Okay, this will then make sure that you're then getting the pixel data. So it's only just a piece of code that sits on every single page to track what happens, and then talk to Facebook back to make sure it can then track in our software exactly what's happened. So what you'll find is it'll just come along to the page, it'll then just load. Sometimes Facebook is a little bit slow in loading, but don't worry about that. And here we go. If you come in here for the first time, you'll see this here, okay? So what you want to do is click Create a Pixel. Now you only have one per ad account, okay? So what you're going to do here is just leave that part where it says website, see the options, just going to click Continue. Okay, and that's it. You've now set up your actual pixel. Now all we need to do is just grab the code. So we're just going to click on this box here which says manually add the code to pixel website. And then all you're going to do here is just copy the particular pixel code here. Okay, so you're just going to copy this like so. And then you're going to come back to Client Funnels and you go into the Business Admin section. And then you'll see the part here where it says Facebook Pixel. Now what I recommend you do is just to paste the whole thing in, but all we actually need is this bit here, okay, which is the ID number. Okay, so you're literally just going to delete anything else that's there, because that's all we need is just the ID number. There's a lot of other stuff in there, okay, but we only just need the ID number. And you can see here it's just digits, nothing else on there, just literally like that. So you'll have this digit number here that you see here, just a load of numbers, okay, each one will be different depending on your account. And then literally all you do is scroll down and you hit the Update Business Account Info. That has now placed the Facebook Pixel on every single page in every single campaign now that you create inside of your client funnel software, which means then obviously once you then set up the custom conversions, which we show you in the indoctrination and the call booking setup, etc., and the opt-in page inside of the High Ticket Coaching Academy curriculum, you'll then see how that all collates. Okay, so that's how we get where we get our pixel from and where we put it inside of our client funnel software to make sure we have that tracking pixel on every single page.